Good morning, Debra. See? Hi everyone, welcome back to another vlog. Today we are in Coimbra. Right now we are in our Airbnb. I have with me Debra.
Bem-vindo ao Coimbra.
Ah! Okay, tá bom. Show us the Airbnb.
This is the Airbnb. Oh, and the bathroom's really nice.
Yeah, the bathroom is really cool. A fun place. We have Mouth Elish here, that's a really nice detail.
Stop it, no up close.
Yes, up close, so that everyone can see your ugly face. And this is the rest of the Airbnb. Right now we will explore. Let me see. Wait. Yeah, this is it. Actually, for the first time in her life, Debra finally found a really cool place.
Are you bitchy about it?
Yes, of course. And today we will explore the city center of Coimbra and probably go on a boat tour, right?
Hopefully wagging around here.
And see you in just a bit. And we finished having lunch. Right now we are exploring a botanic garden here in Coimbra. It's really hot today, isn't it?
Sí.
I mean, for you. Muito bem. There's a small water fountain. And we're just like doing a tactical break because Debra is really lazy
Right, it's
and
me.
she doesn't want to walk.
Sí. It's my fault.
Over all the way. Bolt. Right now we are in front of the law faculty. Here the university in Coimbra, the campus is really massive. Isn't that right, Debra?
It's huge. Better than Católica.
Oh, sorry. Oh, damn, this in Católica, just like that. And I'm just like, we were discussing that this city is really good for like an academic life. It's really like beautiful, and I can imagine this on school time. My English is failing. Help me, Debra, you're the native speaker.
Desculpe, não falo
Desculpa, não falar
inglês.
português. Incompetente. So yeah, I can imagine it's a really fun city, and I can imagine this transforming. It's amazing. I'm speechless. That's what I want to say. A cliche thing. And Debra, you're not helping. Stop
As
laughing.
always.
And right now we finished exploring most of the Coimbra city center. We had the plans to go on a boat tour right now, but unfortunately they only leave if there's at least 10 people. At 4 o'clock the trip is insured, so they will leave even if there isn't 10 people. What do you have to say about this?
Well.
Dun, 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 dun. So now we are going to a shopping mall. Debra is now with a happy face because we're taking an Uber.
And we're getting pedicures.
No, we're not.
Yes, we are.
And yeah, so tomorrow we will see Prisão Académica, right, and the library. We will go to Quinta de Lagrimas, and if we have some time we will go on a boat tour, and we will end up in Portugal, dos pequeninos, Portugal of the small people, the place, the small village. Yeah, so I think for today that's it, and we'll see each other tomorrow. And it's time for the second day. We are starting really early with here my American roommate eating an all fruit breakfast. How healthy?
You always give me fruit breakfast. Why?
Because you need energy. And Coimbra is a bigger city than we expected, so we're going to use the full day to explore the rest of this place, while Debra is just fighting her own conscience to finally wake up.
So where are we going?
We are going to Prison Academica, which is a prison where we are going to drop off Debra. Now she is wearing her cap, her shades, her mask, just like the way I like to see her.
See?
No.
You deserve that.
No. This is a fucking pandemic. We are all doomed. This is 2020. I bet I'm going to watch this video in a couple of years.
Yeah.
And be like, dang,
And be
those were
like-
the days.
That you look something still like a human.
Yeah. This is the thing about pandemics. Once in a while, every human being needs a break to breathe. You can see Debra applying social distance over there and without her mask because nearby people are here. And now she has the mask again. Let me do some. Give me your hand. Put the finger. No, just point like this. Boogie.
Stupid shit.
And right now we are in Portugal dos pequeninos, Portugal dos pequeninos, Portugal of the small people.
Sí.
And why are you wearing that cap?
Because you hate it.
Yeah, and I was just showing Debra the Portuguese, the things that we stole from their home country, like corn, like chili. Is this chili? I need to say it.
Sí.
Chili, malagueta, chili, yeah. These are the types of things that only Debra managed to eat, and she's wearing mask. Like
I'm not weak.
a responsible.
Like you.
Yeah. And I think the rest of the vlog today is gonna be a montage of this place. And later, if we reach in time, we'll do the boat tour.
I was gonna do like the scary thing.
Ah, but for that, you just need to take off that mask and you scare everyone in the room. Da-da-da. 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 So spacey. I bet if this house was listed in Lisbon, we would pay like 500 euros of rent. This enormous space, this T0, this studio, amazing.
Ciao, ciao.
Ciao, ciao. This is small. And we just finished exploring Portugal's Caminos, and we just made it in the nick of the time to get here on the boat. And here we are. And this is the last stop of the day. Right now we are in Quinta das Lagrimas. Do you have anything to say about this place?
Incompetent.
Debra is feeling tired because she is walking with her thingies, not shoes. But actually I think my shoes are more uncomfortable than those ones, but never mind. This is the last stop of the day. And we only have 30 minutes to explore this because this closes at 7, so it's gonna be a speed running. And see you tomorrow. This is the end of the day. We are at Quinta das Lagrimas. Right now it's getting really dark, so the vlog life is officially over.
Saya sangat letih.
What? He's speaking Malay, so if I have any Malaysian subscribers, you can translate that in the comments.
Dia babi.
And see you next time. So Debra is here. She's been in Portugal for about 1 year and she doesn't know Portuguese. And guess what? In this foundation, all the text is in Portuguese. I think. Portuguese. So I'm going to translate for her, right?
Pedro sucks.
Okay.
What was I saying? I forgot. I
You
don't know
were
what we
speaking
did.
fucking Malay.
No, in general. I was gonna say I don't know what we did today. Oh, okay. Can we go for a pedicure?
No, you're
Yes.
the one that has a pedicure. Have you looked to my feet?
Okay, we'll go for a pedicure tomorrow. That's what we'll do. We'll Google
You
some.
need to ask.
We'll
Okay.
Google. See, it'll be your first time. You can vlog that. You can vlog that. Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
Não. Não, eu não quero uma pedicure. Não quero. Do you understand?
Eu
Portuguese?
quero, só tu és mais quero tu.
I want, but you want.
Não, eu quero, sou,
Portanto,
portanto, tu és mais quero tu. Quero tu.
tu também queres.
Tu também queres. I don't know.
Eu quero, portanto, tu também queres.
Eu quero, portanto, tu também queres.
Okay. Yeah, okay.
Tu
That's it.
também.
I want, therefore you want. Or you also
See,
want.
see. We're gonna look at like no. So this is what it's gonna be like.
Today-
We're gonna look at pedicures, and then we're gonna look at
You know we have a lot of shit to do in the room.
why.
Let's watch one. Haunted.
Two.
Let's watch Naked Attraction.
To
We
no
have to-
naked attractions in your place.
We have